Techno Elite. I am Deepmala Vakode. In the last session, we have learned file handling in PHP. We have seen how to create and manipulate file on web server. In this session, I am going to show you how to work with HTML form in PHP. Also, we will learn get and post method. So, let's get started with subscribing the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. So, let's open a Visual Studio Code. And don't forget to start your XAMPP server. I'm going to create here a new file, say form.php. When we develop a dynamic applications that provides the functionality that can use to store, update, retrieve and delete the data in the database, we use the PHP form to take input from the user and submit it to the web server for processing. We will use the HTML tag to create a form. So first of all, I'm going to have a HTML tag here. And inside the HTML tag, now let's have some basic HTML tags. Let's say body. And inside the body tag, now I'm going to have a form tag. Here, now let's have action equals to, and now let's have a file name, say welcome.php. The action property is used to give the reference or link of another page. Then I am going to have a method equals to get. Both get and post methods create an array. This array holds key and value, where key are the name of the form controls and the values are the input data from the user. Both the methods are super global, which means that they are always accessible. You can access them from any functions, class or file. And now underneath that, let's say name. And now I'm going to have an input here. Type will be text. And then let's have name equals to, let's say name. And now let's have a break tag here. Underneath that, I'm going to say email. And now let's have input. Type will be text. And now let's have name equals to, let's say email. Close this. And let's have a break tag here. Next, I'm going to have input. And its type will be submit. This is a basic HTML form and I'm not going to style it. And now let's create a PHP file called welcome.php. And here I'm going to have a basic HTML tag. Let's say HTML. Inside this HTML tag, now let's have a body tag. Here I am going to say welcome. And let's have a PHP tag here. Inside the PHP tag, let's say echo. I am going to have $_get followed by a square bracket. And here I am going to call name. End with the semicolon. Let's have a break tag here. And here let's say your email address is. And now I'm going to have a PHP tag here. Inside the PHP tag, let's have echo $_get square bracket. And now here let's have email. Save this and let's have a look at the output. Type here localhost :8080/tutorial and file name form.php. Fill the form. And here let's have an email address. Click on the submit button. And here you can see the output, welcome Deepmala, and your email address is deepmala@gmail.com. And now notice here in the URL, Here we have redirected on the welcome.php page, and then you can see the name is equals to Deepmala and email equals to deepmala@gmail.com written on the URL. Information sent from a form with the get method is visible to everyone. All the variable name and values are displayed in the URL. Get method is unsecure method because it displays all information on URL. So get method should never be used for sending password or other sensitive information. And now let's see the example for post method. I'm just going to change the get method to post. Save this. Similarly change here $_post. Here also. Save this. And now reload this page. Fill the form. And email address. Click on the submit button. And here you can see the output. Welcome Deepmala. Your email address is deepmala@gmail.com. The information on the page, and notice here in the address bar, you can see here the URL localhost:80/tutorial/welcome.php. Information sent from a form with the post method is invisible to others. The post is an array of variable passed to the current script via the HTTP post method. However, the variable is not displayed in the URL. It is not possible to bookmark the page. Well, that's all for today's session. In the next session, we will see some more interesting things in PHP. To learn more, subscribe the channel and hit the bell to receive the notification. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like and comment below. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.